Long, long ago, people drew the sun like a circle with light inside and became a box and a line, which is sun. It looks like a window with sunlight outside. In Chinese, people don't just write sounds, they draw ideas from the world, like Ru. The sun gives us light, warmth, and life. So Chinese people made a symbol for it. Ru. Nature to pictures to meanings, which becomes words. Like that's why Chinese is such a special language. You can see meanings, not just hear words. And this is one more of a bye-bye sign. Bye-bye, everybody. I hope you liked it.